I dag min bursdag!
Okay, let's go.
Og jeg blir 29 år. Så jeg gleder meg veldig. Og jeg har fått en gave! Yay! Oi. Gratulerer så mye med 29-årsdagen. Må du kose deg. Vi tenker på deg. Vi setter penger på kontoen din. Vi ser om jeg blir millionær. But not a millionaire today. No.
A mechanical espressomaskin. Very fancy, I know. Dump that over there. This is the spillage. Alright. It's going good. Then take this shower cap, it's cold. Wash it. It's from my coffee this morning. This is like the best coffee you've ever had. Alright, so we're gonna boil some water. This is like a very high quality grinder. All the way to the top. A little bit over as well. Take away this. This. Then we're gonna press it. That looks good. So it's gonna distribute the water even better. Put it inside. And here you have to be a little bit careful. You can see those taps. You have to be quite sure it's locked, like proper.
What does this thing do?
It's gonna make the foam for the latte. Just perfect. Gonna fill it until we see it on the top. We have a few lines here. So we're gonna go to the third one, hold it there for 8 seconds, and then we're gonna slowly go up to the green one and hold it there for the rest of the process. So, first, second, third, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna keep it at this pressure. There we go. First espresso. You can make, this is actually a double espresso. Alright, take this lid off.
Oi! Smilfjes. Cheers! Siden jeg går på keto, så skal vi kjøre keto cake. Så planen blir Vi må ha mandelmel. Vi må ha unsweetened cocoa powder. Unsweetened almond milk. Og butter. Let's go! La oss finne det. Sugar-free.
Så her har vi både sugar-free og sweeteners-free.
Perfekt.
Smør. Nice.
Butter. Finner vi almond flour. Altså mandelmel. Jeg tror det her også er...
Almond, ja.
Vi prøver de forskjellige, da. Her skal vi ha litt mer.
Jeg tror det holder, kanskje. Eller?
Ja. Synd.
Oi!
Det var ikke meg! Jeg mente, yay! 100% kakao. Håper vi finner det her i butikken, for jeg skal ha til keto-kaken. Da har vi handlet! Nå har vi handlet alt vi trenger til keto-kaka, og vi har leiebilen vår for right now. Nissan! Nå skal vi kjøre og lage keto-kake.
Christian,
Hi.
do you have any plans for this fine Saturday night?
Yeah.
Oh.
Samme som alltid. Kos meg alltid ved å moppe kake. Er ikke det alle gjør da?
All right. Good luck.
Yeah, thanks.